Hi, welcome to philhome.com. Today we're in Portofino Heights and we're going to take a look at this house behind me here today. So let's go check it out. So, big, massive, brand new house. You see it has lots of landscaping. I'll just shoot around here for a second to give you an idea. I can't get back far enough to get the whole thing in the shot. But as you can see, they put a lot of time in this landscaping. They're currently touching up the porch here, so disregard some construction stuff here. Okay. Okay, we're coming through the front door and it walks right into, you have a nice chandelier hanging here. To the right, I think that's a CR, but we come in here and you got the living room shot. Let me just pan back. Everything you see in this video is included. And I wanted to show you how high the ceilings are. As you can see, we have built-in AC over here. Let's look above here. See that high ceiling? And you can look over from up above. And then over here in this section over here, you see you have a sliding glass door out to the balcony where they have their Christmas tree, but we'll check that out later. So I'll just turn around so you can get a more idea of this. Like I said, everything you see is included. See all those high windows for lots of light? See that? And the chandelier above the stairway. The stairway is extremely wide and made of thick Nara planks. So neat. Now you can see a better example of the entryway here. And then immediately to the left here, you have a 12-man dining, and they got their Christmas tree set up here. Beautiful setup. Plenty of lighting. And then immediately to the left, you have a TV room style, which over here in the corner, you have brand new. Remember, brand new. Shower, CR. Everything in this house is new. And this is their TV room also. Sorry about the dog in the background. So from the dining room, you have this nice seating area for entertainment. And if you look right up in front of it, that's a wall fountain. So you can turn the water on and water starts coming down the fountain. It catches over into the trough area there. But we'll check that out later. Let's go more into the house. So we'll save the kitchen for later, but I want to go up the stairs since we're here and show you the next level. Then we'll go back out to the kitchen area and check out the dirty kitchen and the maid's area and the garage and the surrounding back of the house. Notice how they did all this rock work. Beautiful. Thick glass used for the railing. Tempered glass. Nara hardwood plank stairs. And then you walk up into this family TV area on the second floor. Let me just come over here to corner so I can pan over. Like I said, everything you see here is included in the price. See nice accent lights. Come over to the rail. You can look down into the living room. It's pretty cool. So let's go check out some bedrooms. So the first door on the right here, we have a nice bedroom set up. You see that? Nice drapes. Then I'll come over here. See that nice headboard setup? They got closets, mounted TV, and then they got a beautiful bathroom in here. See that? Brand new sink area. Very nice tile setup with accent. Brand new shower enclosed with tempered glass. Very nice. Great ceiling designs too with accent lighting above the sink. See that? This house is very modern, very new. The owners designed this house themselves. Then we have the second bedroom up here. See that? We'll just come in here and I'll pan around this bedroom so you can see. Similar to the last bedroom. Same style built-in closets. Same style CR. You can see better the accent around the mirror and see the accent lights. Each room has a lot of light. So let's go check out the next one. We'll save the master bedroom for last. So you walk in this room, you got the closets on the left. And then this room, you can see the setup. Beautiful. Nice TV, AC, all the rooms. Very impressive house. I believe this is the son's room maybe. But see, brand new shower. CR's on the side there. See the closets again. Now let's go into the master's bedroom. Now the master bedroom, you see it? We'll walk over to the first part here though, so I can give you a better idea. See, it's got a walkout to a nice patio, and you notice you have no neighbors, so it's kind of like you're out in a farm area. Very quiet. And this balcony goes around this way. As you can see. Now we get a better angle of the master bedroom. See that? With the fabric backing. And then let's go check out the master bathroom. We've got a giant shower area. The CR is here by the door. Giant shower area, all brand new. Got the chandelier hanging in the bathroom, and you've got this two-man jacuzzi. Then if we swing around the room, you'll see the granite countertop with accent granite trim hanging below, his and hers. And the tile's all the way to the ceiling, and the tile is very nice. And in here's more cabinet space inside there. You see where that mirror is? There's a door over here with more space. Let me see if it's unlocked. Nope, that's locked. That's their walk-in closet. Unfortunately, it's locked, so we can't see that. But if you come see the house, of course, you can see it. So let's go down, head down to the kitchen area. This is very modern, very beautiful. I don't even see any dust on anything. That's how new this house is. Very well maintained. Another look down from the stairs, down into the living room. Very nice. Let's make our way to the kitchen. I see the owner hiding in the distance. All right, let's go check out the kitchen. So off from this giant dining room, you have this kitchen, which I like very much because I love cabinets with no handles. You got an exhaust system over there. You got built-in microwave and stove and a Samsung dual door ref. You even have a chandelier in the kitchen with little, see, notice how they use tile accents? Very nice. And then, I forgot this over here by the door that leads to the garage. There's also a guest CR here, as you can see, with nice accents and lighting, accent lighting. So let's head back into take a look at this dirty kitchen. So over here we have the washer and dryer laundry area. And here you have driver's room, maid's room, and his and her CR. And I'll show you how nice the maid's bathroom is. Probably the nicest maid's bathroom I've seen so far. Look at that. Very nice. With lots of accent on the mirror there, see that? So you have the driver's room and maid's room right next to there. And then you have another dirty kitchen here with another brand new Samsung rest. You can see granite countertops here. Lots of cupboard space. So let's go out here and check out the garage area. Sorry for the dog barking. Hey boy. You can see you hold at least 2 cars, covered parking. And then we'll sneak around the back here. See, they have a water filtration system and everything, and backup water tank. We'll cut around and go back on the stone trail here. Check out the landscaping and check out the fountain we were talking about here. The waterfall fountain, see this? The water would catch in here. Let's go see the side of the house over here. See all the landscaping, they put a lot of time into this. I love these particular type of bushes for the wall. Those bushes can grow up to about 15 feet tall and totally block out your neighbors. See the accent stone on the walls here. Each post has a light. See this beautiful landscaping. The Italian twisty landscape type. I like the pots. Very nice wrought iron wall here. Oh, they're fixing the step here. Hopefully I can get down here. Sorry for the run around. Let me just step back up here and grab my shoes. You can see the walkway here to the garage and then the balcony of the master bedroom. Let me just grab my shoes here. So you can see you've got no neighbors in front of you. Let's go out the gate here. I'll just give you a little pan around. See, you have only one house way over there. You have a neighbor here, so the neighbor's house is nice. This is a great area in Portofino Heights, which is a high-end village. Let's take a look down the road over here. Show you the landscaping on the side here. This again is a corner house. So let's look at this landscaping. See that? Beautiful. See the side profile of this house? Look at that. Big tall windows. Those are the ones you saw in the living room. So I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough by philhome.com. Just read the description below to find out the square meterage and lot size. And you can contact us there, or you can go to philhome.com and contact us, or you can go to Philhome Facebook page and contact us from your personal Facebook. I hope you enjoyed this walkthrough, and thanks for watching philhome.com.